Angelica Samiliano from North Cotabato. I belong to congregation of Four Daughters of the Crown Virgin, perpetual adorers of the Sacred Heart of Jesus. Now, I am postulant. Our congregation, Four Daughters of the Crown Virgin, perpetual adorers of the Sacred Heart of Jesus, known as the CV Sisters, was founded by Mother Teresa Fardella di Blasi in Mantova, Italy in 1897.
Moved by the reality of poverty and sufferings, she engaged herself in works of charity with particular attention to the very poor, street children, and aged. She started a charitable movement in 1895 in the city of Mantova and later became a religious institute in 1897. Teresa lived in simplicity, poverty, and trust in the divine providence. With her great concern was to provide the needs of the poor children and aged. Our charism to be a mother like Mary, with the heart of Jesus, combined with a deep Eucharistic Marian spirituality. Apostolate, Eucharistic adoration, children's catechesis, care of infants, children and female youth, assistance of the elderly with Christian comfort, and laborious charity. Collaborate in the pastoral works of the local church according to its needs, in the measure and means that correspond to the charism of the congregation. Our congregation is present in Italy, Africa, India, Papua New Guinea, Philippines, Bicol, Pangasinan, Sucat, Muntinlupa City.
If our mission attracts you, contact us now. Come and see and be one of us.